Hi, this is Mina from Seoul, South Korea. Today we will learn how to ask the price in Korean. 얼마예요 means how much is it? 얼마예요? 얼마예요? When we ask the price, we also mention the object which we are curious about. So I prepared the demonstrative pronouns. 이것 means this. 이것, 이것. 그것 means that. 그것, 그것. 저것 also means that. 저것, 저것. Memorize 이, 그, 저 because we were gonna use this with the noun to indicate the position of the object. 것 indicates objects or things. So, let's go deeper into it. First, on this dog's perspective. The orange juice is 이것. Her friend's phone is 그것. The clock is 저것. One more time. This time it's on this dog's perspective. The grape juice is 이것. Her friend's headphone is 그것. The clock is 저것. So 저것 should be the object, which is in distance from both speaker and listener. Let's find out more about how to use the demonstrative pronouns. As I mentioned, 이, 그, 저 here, and let's put 것 away. Next, don't forget the space here before the noun coming. First one. 이 사과, this apple. 그 시계, that watch or that clock. 저 사람, that person. Alright, then let's combine the nouns with 얼마예요 to make how much is something. 이거 is equivalent to 이것. We use 이거 more often when we speak. So, 이거 얼마예요? How much is this? 사과 is apple. 사과 얼마예요? How much is the apple? 귤 한 개. One tangerine. 귤 한 개 얼마예요? How much is one tangerine? 그 시계, that watch or that clock. 그 시계 얼마예요? How much is that watch? So if you ask how much, the clock will tell you the price. In that case, they will use this form to answer you. Won is Korean monetary unit. Our money looks like this. Anyways, we will put the number in front of won and 이에요 or 입니다 will follow after. There is no big difference between them. Both are formal, but 입니다 sounds more formal. Let's see the example situation. The elephant asked, 사과 얼마예요? How much is the apple? The frog answered, 5개 3,000원이에요. Or, 5개 3,000원입니다. It's 3,000 won for 5 apples. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. See you next time. Bye.